What did you do, Georgie?
God, is
What happened?
Look at that.
How did you open that? You have to twist it off. Hi, Georgie. How did you do that? You twist the cap off.
Why couldn't you do the light one, Joey? Why'd you have to do the regular kind?
And what else did you do, Georgie? You got shit in your pants. So we've got Dookie mixed with syrup. Oh man, Joseph.
We should take him outside and hose him.
Yeah. No, we had to do it in the tub. Joji! Why?
You didn't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
I just did it.
Alright, well, this is one for everyone to see. Oh, Joseph.